So setting up your mobile phone for access. So in this video, I want to show you how to connect your NVR so that you'll be able to see those cameras on your mobile phone. Before we get started, we need to ensure that you have your latest iOS or Android version available on the phone that you're going to be using. Ensure that you have at least 500 megabits of free storage space and that internet connection with Wi-Fi is available and that your mobile you're using is actually connected to the Wi-Fi. So next what we're going to do is download and install the app from the appropriate app store. It should look like this. So now we need to create an account using your email address or phone number. First, we select on the region, which is Australia, tap login and then register. Here we can agree to the terms and conditions. Feel free to read this if you want. And now we can either register via email address or telephone. If you're using your email, enter your email address and create a password. Make sure that password is between 8 to 16 characters and consists of a combination of upper, lowercase numbers and special characters to get a secure password. So what we're going to do now is tap that security code if registering via phone, and then you'll get that code sent to you. If you're doing it via phone number, do the same thing. Create that password and tap security code. The security code will then be sent either to you via email address or sent via SMS to the phone number. Use that code and enter it to the app and tap finish. Now what we've got to do is add the device. Note that only one person can be added per NVR. If you need to add other people to view the NVR, they'll need to create their own account and you'll need to share that NVR to them by entering in that email address or phone number. So once this is all done, grab your phone and we're going to go and scan the QR code using the camera on our phones. Log into the NVR and go to settings. Now what we're going to do is find the network tab on the left, make sure the NVR has an IP address and it's pointing to the correct gateway or router. If you have the DHCP ticked, this will automatically apply all these settings. Now you're going to do is find the platform access tab. Make sure this status says online. If it is showing offline, then the NVR network settings have not been configured properly and there is no internet on site. If it says online, then scan that QR code and enter the verification code you created earlier. This verification code will also be shown here. Click finish or save and then you're done. Now you'll be able to view your cameras on your phone. So if you get stuck through any of this process, please give us a call or send us an email. Our tech team will be able here to help. Remember to always record your passwords. This is especially important throughout the whole setup process and will ensure the installation will go smoothly. So this is the end of the series. If you found this video informative, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click on the bell to subscribe. This will allow you to get notified of our latest product reviews and tips designed to save you time. At EQL, we're always here to help and support your business.